Welcome to Central Punjab Printers and Publisher, your one-stop destination for all your printing, photocopying, and bookbinding needs. We are thrilled to provide you with high-quality services that will bring your ideas to life. At CPPP, we understand the importance of capturing the essence of your documents, projects, and creative endeavors. Our state-of-the-art printing technology ensures sharp and vibrant prints. Whether you require documents, brochures, flyers, posters, or any other printed materials, we use premium quality paper and inks to deliver professional results that exceed your expectations. In addition to printing, we offer fast and efficient photocopying services. Whether you need multiple copies of important documents, academic materials, or business reports, our high-speed photocopying machines guarantee clear and legible reproductions every time. Our dedicated staff is always available to assist you with any questions or specific requirements you may have. Moreover, we specialize in bookbinding services to transform loose pages into beautifully crafted books. From spiral binding to perfect binding, we offer a variety of binding options that cater to your preferences and budget. Whether it's a thesis, a portfolio, or a personal project, our skilled team ensures precise and durable binding to give your work a professional touch. Customer satisfaction is our top priority, and we strive to provide exceptional service at competitive prices. We value your time, which is why we offer quick turnaround times without compromising on quality. Additionally, our knowledgeable staff is ready to provide personalized assistance, helping you choose the best printing, photocopying, and binding solutions for your specific needs. Experience the convenience and excellence of our printing, photocopying, and bookbinding services at CPPP. We look forward to serving you and becoming your trusted partner for all your printing requirements.